we have reached till here. Class, we have created the id using has. Id was created through the has, and class was created through the dot. Okay, let me open that file also. Under the internal css, we have written css by id. Css by class, this one was. Css by id also was here. So you can see here id was using has, and class we have created using the dot. While calling the class, we have used class equal to class name. While calling the id, we have written id equal to id name. Right? Footer section sidebar. Testing. Once. Come now. First go here and see this design. Suppose we are designing a page like this. There is one page design like this. Now inside that, you can see one design is like this. You can see one more design is like this. After that, one more design is like this. Okay. Next, after that, here in the middle section, or maybe we can do like this. One block is here. One more block is here. This is the design. Okay. Now we have two options. One is called ID, another was class. So this design is all. Now let me come to the developer guide right here. Where to use the ID? Where to use the ID? Okay. Where to use the ID? So we can write here. We can write here inside a page, or we can write like this: if in a page, if in a page, if in a page, one type of design, one type of design in a page, one type of design in a page, one type of design, one type of design in a page, one type of design required, one type of design required only one time. Okay, so what it says, it's like, suppose you have a page, in one page, one type of design is only one time. In one page, one type of design is required only one time. Then we have to use the ID. Come down, just reverse of that. Reverse of that. In one page, if in a page, if in a page, one type of design required many times, then we can use the class. Then use class. This here, then use the ID. Two line, right? We will come back again. Ready? It says like, in one page, if one type of design is required only one time, then it will be better you can use the ID. And in one page, one type of design you need many times, then it will be better you can use the class. Okay, write this line and write this line. Then I'll come to the photo I have made. Ready? Now come to this photo. According to that line, it says like in one page, if one type of design you have, then you can use the ID. If one type of design you have only one time, then you can use the ID. If one page, one type of design is many times, then you can use the class. Now look at here. The first section is complete different, left section is complete different, and bottom section is also different. So I will keep this one as a assume as a blue color, and the bottom I'll keep change as a black color. Now both are different. So our theory of CSS is like if you have this kind of condition in one page, one type of design is required many times, then you can use the which technique? You can use the class. But if it is only one time, then better use ID. Using same ID, you can communicate with the CSS, you can communicate with the JavaScript also, and everything will be perfect. Else you have to write again ID or class. Apart from that, it says like in one page, if one type of design is many times, then you follow here the class. But if one page, one type of design is only one time, you are going to follow the ID. So first one, suppose if you ask first one should be which method, then it should be based on ID. Better. This also will be based on ID. This can also be based on ID, and this also can be based on ID. Okay, whereas this can be based on class. This can be based on class. Okay, this way. So when we design the complete template, we will think, okay, the design is like this. This can be based on ID. This can be based on class, and after that we create. So ready? Let's come now. So we have reached till here, till ID class we have follow. Now we need to create an example to follow CSS by tag name and CSS by parent and child. How we can make one particular tag as a parent and how we can make one particular tag as a child. That example we are going to see through again example only. Okay. So you will create a file CSS parentchild.html. Parentchild.html, we can create a file under the internal CSS. Parentchild.html, you can create under the internal CSS.
అదేది అవన్నీ ఇచ్చి అన్ని మామూలుగా క్లియర్ అది వచ్చి చేస్తారు కదా పెట్టేస్తారు ఇక్కడ లోపల పడి లోపల తీసుకురా సార్ తెలుపండి బయట
Hope ready? Parentchild.html. Come next. So what we will follow is we will follow the HTML and we'll follow the head section. We'll follow the style and we'll come under the you can say okay. Next after that no, it's not a still, it's a body. Body will open and body will be closed. Under body we will follow as a UL tag. UL as a parent. and li as a child. Okay, and inside the li again a href, and we can write here called my home. My home. Okay, hope ready. Come now, copy my home, my profile, my education, then after that my project, then my experience. Experience, my contacts. This many we added. If you run this file, we will see all will come in the new line, because li is called as a block level element and it will not appear in the same line. By default, li is called as a block level element. It will not be in the same line. See, li is the block level element, all gone to the new line. Now for that, we have to write the CSS. But you can see A is the part of li is the part of ul is the part of body. So body we can ignore, but we can consider ul as a parent and li as a child and A as a last child. Okay, come down below. Just this is for understanding of parent and child. Right is h1 li without ul. Li without ul. Li without ul. Li without ul. Stuck somewhere. Li without ul. 3 li you can copy from here and just paste after this. 3 li copy from there and paste after this. Right? Hope written 3 li without ul. Yes. So now, when we are going to write the CSS for a child of a particular parent, okay, then you will find how the CSS is going to identify the elements and how it is going to apply. So let us come to this particular point. See here, when we write the E and color as a red color or maybe different color as a orange color, and font hyphen size 20 pixel, then it should apply for how many A tag? All the A tag in current page as per the CSS by tag name we saw in current page. It should apply for all the A tag. Whichever the A tag we have, for all the A tag, this should get applied. Save now. You will see all the A tag color will come in red side, red color, and font size will be 20 pixel. It's here. All the A tag become as a orange color and font size become as a 20 pixel. All the A tag. In current page, whichever the A tag we have, all got the same color combination. All got the same color combination. Right? Next, after that, we want to apply the orange color to those A tag. Our requirement is need to apply the orange color to those A tag that is under li. So you can see bottom is also under the li and the top section also A is under the li. Now let me write here. Still if I write as a li space A, so li become as a parent tag and A become as a child tag. So it will apply for all the A tag that is under the li. It will apply for all the A tag that is under the li. Now also it is going to address to all the A tag that is under the li. In current page, how many li we have? For all the li, if there is any A tag, their color will be orange color. See, it's remain same. Now if I go here, if I apply ul space li, ul space li, ul space li, you will find it will apply for those A tag that must be under the li, and li should be under the ul. Li should be under the ul. So let me go here and look at this. Bottom li is not in the blue color. Only the upper section li is under the blue color. Okay, only the upper section li is under the blue color. Okay, orange color, not blue color, orange color. Now let's come. So how we are addressing? We are trying to reach to a tag with the help of their parent. So it is saying like you should apply the color as a orange to those A tag that must be under the li, and li should be under the ul. Now in current page, if you look, A is the part of li and li is the part of ul. Only the first section. If you look at the last section, A is the part of li, but ul is not there. So this structure compiler will not be able to reach till here. Till where? To this last 3 li, A tag. Reason is what? Their parent is missing. Parent is not exist. Right? Next after that, come there. Write a li, write a ul as a parent tag, space li. So not all li, only those li that is under the ul. You will find few li we have here that is without UL. Few li we have that is without UL, and few li we have that is under the UL. So what will happen now? UL space li. So those li that is under the UL tag. Now what should happen? Display property we can use as a inline. So all will come in the same line. After that, we can apply here padding of the li. Inside the li, there should be padding of somewhere 18 pixel. Ready? Now let me check in the browser what is happening. If I go here, reload the page, you can see all the main li got converted into inline, but the bottom li's are still waiting because condition is not going to satisfy for them. Condition is satisfied for those li that is under the UL. Now here, now the text is coming as an underline little, let it be. Okay, come down below. Right here. Write the CSS for UL tag. UL tag. And write for that as a UL. How it should look? UL should be with the padding of, there should be gap inside. Suppose how much? 20 pixel gap. Okay, padding like left, right, or bottom. And the background of UL can be blue color or maybe black color, any color. Save now. You can keep margin. This UL should not leave anything from anywhere. Margin as a 0 px. Okay. Now let me see what is that. How that look. See, background become as a black color, and inside the li is coming like a navigation. Underline you can see here. Underline also we can remove. But in this file, we try to understand how to address a parent. So see, your compiler want to reach to the A tag, but not A tag, all the A tag. Only those A tag that is under the li. And li must be under the ul. So it will follow the first ul. It will not touch the remaining li's because the remaining li is not following the structure as what you have written under the CSS here. Okay. Let's go ahead. And we can write some CSS to remove the underlines. In case if I'll not follow the UL here, see here, the middle li you can see. For that, in case if I'll not follow the UL, all li will come in one line. Okay, let me show you. See, I have removed the UL. Remove the UL. Now which li? So all the li. In current page, how many li you have? It will be applicable for all the li. Now when I go here, you can see all are coming in the same line. So we wanted it must follow the parent tag. then only it will reach to the child and the output will be proper. See here, it's coming now properly. Now under the E tag, the first line what you have written, UL as a parent, LI as a child, E as a last child. Inside we can write here text decoration, text hyphen decoration. Underline is coming by default. To remove underline, we can follow text decoration as a none. Text decoration as a none. This will help you to remove the underline. This will help you to remove the underline. Okay, ready. Let's go ahead next. See, all underline got removed.
Sir,
Hmm?
you will apply the UL and LI and EAS, text decoration.
Hmm.
But you cannot remove that one, sir. My project express not align.
Which one? My project?
Down, down, sir.
This one? No,
Yes.
how can you remove? You have
all that one, sir.
E tag. Which A? That is under the LI. Which LI? That is under the UL. Bottom one is not under the UL. So here it will not apply. Parent is missing. Compiler will not find the address. Okay. For that, compiler will not find the address. Go ahead then. Now, so we understood how to write the CSS for a parent and child. Parent name will come first, parent tag name will come first, then child name will come, after that child, after the child, after child, a number of child it can be. Okay, we can reach anywhere to anywhere. Okay, now you can see there is some gap from the all the side. Can you see there is a gap here? Here in the before menu there is a gap. Upside also you have gaps and right side also you have some gap. Okay, that is called as a margin. By default, body tag will leave 8 pixel. The body tag you have, the body tag has a margin of 8 pixel. 8 pixel. Okay, so that margin we can remove here. We can write it for body tag. For body tag, margin 0 px. Happening? Space is gone.
No, it's trans.
No, space will not be there. It will look like a navigation. Okay, now when the mouse will go here, the text will convert into green color. Okay, once the mouse will touch here, it will convert into green color. How it will be? Let's go and check here. See, you are written in the beginning, this line, ULLIA, correct? Here only we are going to add one more line. UL, under the UL, there will be one LI. Under the LI, there will be a tag called A, colon, hover, colon, hover, colon, hover, colon, hover. Hover means when you move the mouse on that. Hover meaning is when you move the mouse on that. Okay. So ULLI A colon hover. What is that? When the mouse will move on which tab? LI tag. Sorry, A tag. When the mouse will move means hover. Okay. Where the mouse will move on A tag. What should happen? Color should convert into green color. Right now, color is changing or not? The text color will change into green color. Color got converted.
Yes.
As the mouse will touch, the color will convert into green color. See, green happen. And when the mouse will go here, green is happening, okay. At the same time, you can make underline also. Look at here. There was one property. You have written text decoration as a none. None means no underline. Text decoration is a property where we can set as a none. None will represent no underline. Okay. Now I will copy the same and we can paste here and we can write when the mouse will move on that, then text decoration is a underline. So once the mouse will go there, the text will convert into underline. When the mouse will go there, text will convert into underline. Okay, ready? See, mouse is going there, text converted into which color? Underline. Wherever the mouse will go, text will convert into underline. That is called text decoration underline when on mouse over. Oh. You should not give a space in hover. A and hover together. A colon hover together. No space. A colon hover together. No space. Then share your HTML code also. ULLI. HTML structure is wrong. HTML is not following the ULLI structure. Can share your UL to UL. I will guide you. What is wrong in that? Okay. Go ahead then. Underline is happening. Now in the same page, we can write one more CSS, that is pending CSS for tag group. Multiple tags will be there together. Multiple tags will be there how to apply the CSS for a complete tag group. Like H1, paragraph, division, all are in one page, and we want to apply some common feature for all. How to apply that? For that, we have to go through the next CSS by parent child, and let us see how that is. In the same file, we can write that example also, one small line of CSS it is. So here, come to the HTML, and H1 already we have written the top, follow the H2, follow the H2, then inside that you will follow, inside that you can follow user list, below you can follow a paragraph, the user list will come here. Next, after that, write a div div used to create multiple blocks. Next, we'll write for label myself in label. Next, one more li, one more we can write as a h3 or maybe h4. This is heading 4. This is heading 4. Now we will write some CSS in such a way where H2, H1, paragraph, division, H4, all will have a common property. So there we will be making a group of the tags where H2 will come, paragraph will come, division will come, label will come, and you can say remaining H4 will also come. And for all the for all these tags combinedly, we'll write a property and value and will apply everywhere in the current page for all the paragraph, for all the H2, and for all the division, it will get applied automatically. Okay, ready? Check this file. This will look like completely not much meaningful. Something is written by default text. Come to the CSS part, and for H2, paragraph, division, label, and H4. How to make a group of CSS? How to make a group of tag? So for H1, comma H2, comma H3, comma H4. Or maybe leave the H4, let it be H3. Then we'll write for div, we'll write for p tag, for division tag, for paragraph tag, and for label tag also. For label tag. For all the tags, we can write here. Okay, next after this, you will write inside color of the text will be red color or maybe blue color. So all will come in blue color. After that, the font weight will be bold for everyone. And after that, the you can say uh, margin between each other 15 pixel. So whichever the tag you have given here, H1, H2, H3, division, paragraph and label, for all the color will be blue color and font weight will be bold and margin between two elements there will be gap of 15 pixel. Okay, there will be gap of 15 pixel. Okay, hope looking similar. See, all become the similar color. Blue color only. H4 we have not added under the groups. H4 is outside. H4 has not got the blue color. Go next. This file we can leave now and we can copy this two block. This much we can copy and paste under the developer guide as an example. The first point as a CSS for child and parent. We can copy this and we can paste under the CSS developer guide, CSS by parent and child. Example how it will be. Example like this. Now let's come next. One more was here. CSS by parent child. Last section we can copy. H2, H3 division paragraph level and we can paste here. Under the CSS developer guide as a CSS by tag group is the first one. Examples should be here. Okay, hope written. Now let's go ahead. We can create a new page as a template. Multiple pages will create and we'll write the some kind of CSS different design and we'll see how that look like. Okay. So we'll create a next file called template1.html in internal CSS folder. Template1.html under the internal CSS folder. From parent child, we can copy these LIs. This many LI required same. In body section, we can add that LI. Inside the body, we can add the LI. And again, we can close the body HTML in the last. And we can start the HTML. And we can follow the head section. Something like this. Then from the previous file, the CSS you have written for UL, LI and A, you copy and paste here. UL, LI. Okay, so UL, we have placed. Go in the previous file, UL, LI, A, you have written no this much. Correct? We can copy, or maybe let's come, we can write here again, there is no problem. Style open close. Under this style, UL. Keep as a parent. UL will be as a parent. For this UL, you can write padding. Inside the UL, there should be some gap. 18 pixel padding again. And then give background again black color. Black color. Then after that margin give 0 pixel, no any gap from any side. Then after that, so UL will become the black color and it will not have any gap from any side. UL will become a black color and it will not have any gap from any side.
Display line.
Yes, we have to write now for UL, LI. For UL, LI, display will be inline. Display will be in a line. And again, padding also you can keep similar, 18px. Padding we can keep 18px. 18px. So LI also will leave inside 18 pixel and display in line is okay. Next for UL space LI space A. So under the UL tag, whichever the LI is there, inside LI, if any A tag is exist, then for that color, then for that color should be again orange color and text decoration should be none. Text decoration should be none. Ready?
Please comment.
Hmm? Hope menu is coming. Okay, cool. Check now. Something like this. Menus. We can increase little font size. Under the last A, you can write font hyphen size 20 px 20 px will look little big font size and text decoration none we have written. Text decoration none is there. So text will not be underlined, something like this. And again for body tag before UL, you can write for body tag before UL, you can write margin 0px. Margin 0px. If now gap is got removed, similar menu got ready again. Now we can write again hover effect here. UL LI A colon hover. Color as green color and let it be green color only. Text decoration no need. Color as green color. Ready? Let's go ahead. Move the mouse. See color is changing in the green color. This way. So this menu section is ready. After menu section, you will write one section tag, and for that section tag we can write one ID called my product, or maybe product block. We'll write a ID called product block. Right? Now write some CSS for this product block. Has product block, because the ID we have to write as a has padding somewhere 50 pixel. So all the side there will be padding of 50 pixel. Okay. When you write as a padding 50 pixel, top, bottom, left, right, all the side how much? 50 pixel of padding. Next, after that, text hyphen align as center. So everything will print in the middle. And background completely blue color. And color white color. So everything will come in center, and the text will be in the white color, background will be in the blue color, top, left, right, bottom, there will be gap of 50 pixel. Okay, ready? Check now. It's come like this.
Yes.
So we can give little more padding. Okay, or instead of that, padding let it be this much. Inside we'll keep the photos, 3 photos. So come to the section tag now. But here we need to have a photo. Please check, are you getting something like this? Navigation on the top and below as a blue background. Blue background appear in the bottom. No. Come to this section tag, write as H1 our products, our best products, or our popular products. Our popular products. Next, after that, check now how that look. It's like this, our popular products. Below to that, 4 photos will come in one line. So go here, write there img src equal to 1.jpg class equal to my photo. We want all photos should look similar. Because of that, we are given the class 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 4 photos in one line. So pretty. Check in your system if you have photos, copy 4 photo and keep in that internal CSS folder, rename photo 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is a JPG, then okay. Four photos is required in current folder. I will share you the photo. If photo is there, then well. If photo you don't have, I will share the photos. 4 photos I will send in the chat. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 photos I kept. The same photo I share in your chat also. Get the photos and keep here. Four photos kept or not. You will see the photos will come big size. We have to write the CSS for that. Then it will come in the proper order. Okay, ready? Photos are coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Photos are coming. Big size photos.
Yes, sir. Big set.
Yes. Now let me go here and add the CSS for the class called my photo. In that we write we will write width of the photo, how much. First apply the margin. Margin as a 1%. Then it will become total 4 photos we have, 25% should come, 23% will be the remaining. But between photo there will be some gap. Width we have to give 22.5%. By default there is a 2 pixel gap. After that, height of the photo, assume 150 pixel and then check. Total 4 photos will fit in one line properly. Complete 4 photos will fit in one line. Four photos in one line,
Yes.
something like this. This is called CSS. Through that, some look and feel is changing now. Slowly come down. After this section, write one more section. Right there, ID equal to about.
I will write the images as you want to of the class name photo is there.
Mhm.
Is it ID also?
ID also you can write, but see, all photos are looking similar. So we have discussed, no, if in one page design is same, then we'll use the class. Okay, if the design is different, then we'll use the ID.
Right.
So here all photos are same, so we can use the class. Okay, now write another one. ID as a about. We can write here about us. About us. You will come down, follow the key tag. Write inside some text. Hope we are writing. That's what we can do. Write some CSS for that. This section so that it will come in the middle. So come up again, write the CSS for about. Here we have to write the CSS for about. CSS for about as about right inside padding left 10%, padding right 10%, 10%. We have shortcut also. Just I am following simple way. Padding top 20 pixel and padding bottom 20 pixel. Text hyphen align as center so that it will come in the middle. Right, this is for about section. All the content of about section will come in middle. All the content of about section will come in middle. See now, it's look like this. Here, text align center I have written CENTER for about. Text spelling is wrong. Text hyphen align center. Text align spelling was wrong. Okay. Yes. See now, it is something like this. So this look like is a template, website template. We will work on this all the pages. 3-4 pages are there, no? So now once the header footer is written, Then you can simple copy, paste, and create the new pages. That will take less time. Okay, so your in WhatsApp group, I will send you some photos. You can try it using this one CSS. In WhatsApp group, I will send some photo. In some time, I'll send you 1 hour early. You can try that as a some homework. Okay, let me share this file. The file is template1. File is called template1.html.